Hi, my name's Alondra. I am a Watsonville native. I've been a physical therapist assistant for about a year and a half now, and I graduated from Gurnick Academy in May of 2023. Just like most people say, I was really involved in sports. I enjoyed moving my body growing up, and I wanted to continue doing that in my profession, helping people get back to their regular motion and regular life after injuries. The most rewarding thing is seeing people be able to accomplish their goals, especially in the younger patients that we have here in the office. I think it's exciting, and I get really happy when I see them, get back to their sports activities like ladder drills, running, jumping, and definitely controlling their pain as well.